Planes of the body. Today we will learn about the three main planes of the human body. 1. Sagittal plane. 2. Coronal plane. 3. Transverse plane. 1. Sagittal plane. The sagittal plane divides the body into right and left parts. 2. Coronal plane. The coronal plane, also called frontal plane, divides the body into front, anterior, and back, posterior, portions. 3. Transverse plane. The transverse plane, or horizontal plane, divides the body into upper, superior, and lower, inferior, parts. Sagittal plane, including medial plane, divides the body into right and left parts. Medial or mid-sagittal plane passes exactly through the midline, dividing the body into equal right and left halves. Parasagittal plane. Parasagittal plane runs parallel to the mid-sagittal plane but divides the body into unequal parts. Now you know sagittal, coronal, and transverse planes. See you in the next lecture.